Namaste and welcome to The Native, Tribe Behind Every Child, a space where individuals share their journey, the tribe that built them to become who they are today. With us, we have Dipti Shahani, not just an entrepreneur and an artist manager, but Meri Bachpan ki Saheli. And I'm super elated to have her here with me today, and I can't wait to interact with her. Hi, Dipti.
Hi, thank you. That introduction was so cute. Yeah.
I knew you would like it. How are you today?
Good. Just too worked up. February is packed with God's grace. अच्छा चल रहा है सब.
I'm very happy to hear that. So, today you're here
हाँ जी.
and we're going to talk about your life, your journey into what you're doing that you love the most, events,
Right.
and the entertainment industry. To start with, I want to know where did you start from? Where did this seed come from?
I think we've grown up together, so you know me, you know the other side of me that a lot of people don't. But life has always been entertainment, entertainment, entertainment for me. Right from school to college to, I always had that little kira that एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, कभी किसकी एक्टिंग करनी है, कभी किसकी करनी है. But of course, management, I did my graduation in BMS, so that translated to management. And दो ही चीज़ें थी लाइफ में, या तो यूके जाके स्पेशलाइजेशन करनी है कोई, या तो फिर इवेंट्स करना है. And I don't know if you remember, but 2010 or something, तब यूके गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत रूल्स चेंज किए थे फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स वेर यू हैव टू गो यू आर स्पेंडिंग एन एक्स अमाउंट बट यू हैव टू कम बैक एंड गो अगेन लुक आउट फॉर अ जॉब. सो आई सेड भाई दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट, चुपचाप लेट्स डू दिस. I did my post graduation from EMDI. This is an institute that specializes in PR and media and event courses.
Right.
So I did a full-time 1-year course over there. In that 1-year journey, I think I figured that, events is something that I want to do for life.
This is my calling.
This is my calling, and entertainment and artist is, मतलब मुझे नखरे उठाने हैं उनके. मतलब that's what I wanted.
It gives you another high.
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, that stress when I'm running, around, I don't know, ये wing से वो wing, backstage भागो, इधर भागो, उधर भागो, and making sure everything happens on time. I think that's a different thrill that.
But even before you experienced this,
Yeah.
you had this thing, मुझे तो यही करना है.
हाँ, somewhere I think कुछ knowledge नहीं थी, practically कुछ पता नहीं था. बट जब भी टीवी ऑन करती थी, शाहरुख खान को देखती थी, आई वाज लाइक भाई इसको तो लाइव देखना है, मतलब इसके साथ काम करना है, इसको हाथ लगाना है, कुछ तो मतलब there was I was always attracted to these the glam world, always.
15 years back,
Yeah.
15 years ago, we're talking about a time which was 15 years.
Yeah.
And when you wanted to do this, I know it was a period of struggle for you to convince people around you, you're
Correct.
okay, that I want to do this and this is what I will do.
Yeah.
How was that for you?
I think I've been blessed. My parents have been very supportive. They knew that मतलब कर रही है हमारी बेटी मेहनत, कुछ तो कर लेगी अच्छा. Starting में when I used to come home late, कभी 2 बजते थे, कभी 3 बज रहे थे रात के. They used to stay up, concerned of course कि छोटी बच्ची अकेली जा रही है. And events was not very, I don't know how to term it, but people were not very happy about कि अरे आपकी बेटी इवेंट्स में है,
Exactly.
रात को लेट आती है, इतने सारे आदमियों के बीच में काम कर रही है, So, but I think my parents believed in me. I remember, if I give you an example, when I was doing my course, EMDI course, I was the only one who was chosen for a wedding project. This was Ritesh Deshmukh's wedding. I worked on it for, I think, a month. I was the only student जो वो बैच से चूज हुआ था. So I remember सुबह 6 बजे मैं उठ के जाती थी घर से. I worked like a machine for that 1 month. रात को 1 बजे आती थी. I used to sleep for 4-5 hours. Again वापस वही. Right from handling his RSVPs, wedding invites to closely working with the family. I was a part of the planning team. So, and being there at the wedding, hands on, you know. And because I handled all the RSVPs, तो जितने भी invites थे, along with, of course, इतने influential person की wedding है, तो gate crashing is very normal. They were expecting a lot of random people, and there were political people coming in, people from Bollywood, people from business background, because of the family, you know, and उनके village के भी लोग थे, you know, parents के. वैसे. So it was a mix. I remember we had some 10 Excel sheets. Mother, father, bride, groom, उनके. It was crazy. It was a huge thing back then. So I was standing at the entrance जहाँ पे मतलब पूरी मीडिया है और मैं खड़ी हूँ with the team, core team, and I was telling them यार इसका नाम है लिस्ट पे, इसका नहीं है. 2 of us doing this extensively for every function. तो जब मैंने आई थिंक कॉल किया था अपने पेरेंट्स को और मैंने बोला पप्पा एंड मम्मा यू विल प्रॉब्ली बी एबल टू सी योर डॉटर इन एवरी क्लिप, यू नो, ऑन टेलीविजन. एंड दैट्स व्हेन दे रियलाइज कि मतलब हमारी बेटी कमाल कर रही है कुछ तो. आई रिमेंबर जो मुझे डांटते थे लेट आने के लिए, दे एक्चुअली कॉल्ड 10 रिलेटिव्स, हेलो ये न्यूज़ चैनल रोल करो, हमारी बेटी देखो दीप्ति दिख रही है, देखो दीप्ति दिख रही है. So I think that was that one project sort of changed their attitude more. They've always been supportive, but that proud moment that, you know, my family had and my father saying कि मेरी बेटी को टीवी पे देखो, न्यूज़ चैनल और करो, उधर सब जगह वो खड़ी है आगे आगे. And that's, so I think that is a different high.
And that's such a beautiful thing. I
It
had
is.
tears in my eyes while listening to this. But so moving on, after you finished your education for what you wanted to do, and you started working.
Yeah.
So you worked where? Where did you work?
So जैसे कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट्स होती है, वी ऑल हैड प्लेसमेंट्स. आई got a very good, you know, I got selected with a very good company. My first, if I talk about my first ever event travel, I think it's an experience which I will cherish always. My first ever event travel with an artist, as an artist manager, was with Akriti Kakkar.
Okay.
And she's a sweetheart. She's family. She's really close. आई रिमेंबर हम दिल्ली गए थे एक इवेंट के लिए, वेडिंग इवेंट. ताजमहल में इवेंट, ताजमहल में हमारा स्टे था और वहीं पे इवेंट था.
Right.
सो फर्स्ट एवर ट्रैवल, किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं है क्या करना है, जाओ और देखो हाउ शी परफॉर्म्स, थोड़ा सीखो, समझो क्या होता है कैसे होता है, दैट्स इट, ये बोल के भेज दिया.
That's the brief.
That's the brief.
Okay.
Now, that time she used to travel with her dad because he was handling her work, and eventually they wanted to switch कि कोई, you know, उनके साथ travel करेंगे. So I remember when we checked in, we got our rooms, and I've got a room in Taj, and I'm like यहाँ सोऊं कैसे यार, इतना बड़ा room and मैं अकेली हूँ, I don't have anybody in the room. And दोपहर के 3 बज गए, 4 बज गए. She called me and she's like, hi, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm sitting, आप बताओ. And हम आज के जनरेशन जैसे नहीं, पानी पीने को भी डरते थे एक इवेंट पे. तब इतना वो ऐसे होता था कि ओके ओके पहला इवेंट है वैसा. So she told me, did you eat food? I said, no. खाना कहाँ खाना होता है? So she told me, what? It's 4 o'clock. We entered the hotel at 11. You've not eaten anything. ना मुझे किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं कहाँ खाना है क्या करना है. So I didn't know. And that's when uncle actually had tears in his eyes, and he called me. He said, तू अभी इधर आ हमारे रूम में. They called me. They actually ordered food for me. And I ate with them. वो event था और उसके बाद हर event. Every meal she has eaten with me whenever I've traveled with her. So, I mean, that doesn't normally happen.
Yeah.
I've been blessed that मुझे एक आर्टिस्ट ने सिखाया है कि क्या करना होता है, कैसा करना होता है. That's where my journey started. So, I think I've been lucky that, I mean, she's a great performer. She's, I think, even a better human being. So I'm lucky that मुझे उसने सिखाया है मेरा काम, and you can order what you want, you can eat whatever. This is your room. Everything is in house, which, so yeah.
From such an amateur that you were when you went into the industry to starting your own Blink Entertainment,
Yeah,
I mean, it's been a journey.
it is. It is.
So what does Blink mean to you?
I think it's my baby. My baby is 5 now, and I mean, I look at the graph. Ki, have I done better than last year? You know. Also, क्या मेरे clients repeat है? That's what I feel is Blink's achievements. Getting new clients on board is an activity that we try and do every day. Getting more artists on board, getting better clients on board, working with better talent, different genres of artists. But have I been able to retain my older clients? Are they giving me repeat business? That's what I believe is Blink for me, and every day I wake up with that thought that, today what value can I add to my artist's life, to the company, and
That's the optimism with which you work.
yeah.
But I'm sure the journey is not easy. There have been struggles for you to make that shift,
Right.
make that choice that you want to leave a steady job and get into or start something of your own. And when people look at other people working in this industry, they look at the glitz and glam and they feel that, oh my God, this is amazing. Like you mentioned, we live in the Taj Mahal and we go to places, we go to big weddings where there are celebrities and there's a lot of glamour. But there is a lot that goes behind that glamour as well. So the struggle that you faced in building your own business, what was it like?
I think my biggest challenge was I started Blink in 2018 Feb, and March COVID hit. So I had a stable job, I had a salary. I mean, मस्त चल रहा था यार सब. There was no problem. अच्छी खासी salary थी. सब कुछ अच्छा था. I thought चलो करते हैं खुद का कुछ. I'll tell you how I started Blink. It's a funny story. When I thought that नहीं हो रहा भाई अब मुझसे, I want to do this by myself, I called 10 of my favorite clients. मैंने फ़ोन किया उनको. मैंने भाई मेरे पास कोई जॉब नहीं है, काम दोगे क्या? कोई इवेंट दोगे क्या? मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है, पर मेरे को काम करना है आपके लिए, मैं कर लूँगी. तो and you won't believe Niyati, I mean, God has been so kind. In 1 month, I converted about 5-7 deals.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So I was like, तो मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ job? I mean, why am I doing this for people when I can do this for myself? That's where I decided कि बस हो गया. And I started Blink. Unfortunately, COVID hit. तो जो सब पाइपलाइन में थे projects, या तो वो cancel हो रहे हैं या तो वो postpone हो रहे हैं. 2 years was, I think, the biggest struggle. Not only for me, it was for the entire industry. But I think 1.5 years later, artists also realized that this is going to be for quite some time now, COVID situations. We started finding solutions, जैसे performances green screen पे होने लगे, बहुत सारे studio में live events होने लगे. So we were doing corporate annual events with the biggest celebrities in a studio setup, with the help of technology, of course, and a full team that is managing everything. So COVID was survival period, not only for me, but for most of the agencies, for I think the entire industry as a whole. But uske baad, it's just been an upward graph, and yeah, it's all good.
What's your USP that when you called all your favorite clients and you converted most of them to give you work?
I believe it is honesty and hard work. उनको पता है कि ये आएगी, इज्जत से अपना काम करके, मेहनत करके चली जाएगी. इसको काम करना है और कुछ, she's not interested,
Right.
And for me, even if I have the worst situation for an artist, मतलब प्रॉब्ली अगर कोई आर्टिस्ट मुझे एक दिन पहले बोल रहा है यार मेरे को जो आउटफिट तूने अप्रूव करवाया क्लाइंट से वो तो फट गया या कुछ हो गया या मेरे घर में कोई there's some emergency probably I won't be able to do the event tomorrow. The crisis situation that you call. Events I think is all about crisis management, events and anything related to entertainment. So I think जब भी मुझे ऐसा कुछ पता चला है I try and find a solution and I go to my client and instead of lying and hiding things and sort of trying to cover up, I tell them the truth कि this is the situation. मैं सोच रही हूँ ये हम इसके बदले कर सकते हैं या ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Let's find an alternative. So what I have experienced in so many years, honest and clear communication is a very important factor
Yeah.
for any successful event, any.
Right. So your honest approach has helped you.
Yeah, that's what I believe.
And sustain.
Yes, sustain, most importantly.
Anything else that has helped you sustain? It's not easy to sustain in this industry.
It's not easy, but I only believe in hard work. I mean, yeah, hard work and honesty, I think, goes a long, long, long way. And building your relationships. It's not always easy. You lose a lot of people, you know, on the...
You have true friends in the industry.
In the industry, yes. So I told you that I did my post graduation from an institute. तो मेरे जो batchmates हैं today they are working either at very senior position in different event companies or they have their own companies and I feel so proud. We work together so much. I work with my friends regularly and it's such a proud feeling when you actually go at an event and like you.
Yeah.
Today I'm sitting here I think as a friend before anything else.
Absolutely.
So that feeling is something different जब तुम अपने friend के साथ event कर रहे हो, you know. So it's a totally fun and different experience. And of course ये एक होता है कि दोस्त है तो 4 चीजें extra करनी पड़ती है उनके लिए. But ठीक है, I think that's a part of the entire process. So
That's the beauty of the relationship.
it is, yeah.
So as an outsider, we only look at the big picture, the big event, right? But what happens before, during, and after it? Give us some insight.
Before, during is just chaos and after is celebration, if I have to put this in one word. So you mentioned that we travel extensively और हम 5-star में रुकते हैं और we go to fancy places. But giving you a reality check, हम ओबो होटल के बेड पे 4 से 6 घंटा सिर्फ क्रैश करते हैं. सुबह आते हैं, check in करते हैं. We have a 2-3 hour rehearsal that happens before the show. Then the artist and the team starts getting ready, depending on the performer and you know whatever it is that we are doing at the event. And then we're doing the show. फिर client के साथ बात कर रहे हैं. We're sort of discussing what went right and what is it that we can do better next time, you know. And that's it. We have a next day early morning flight. हम जा रहे हैं होटल, बस 4-6 घंटा सो रहे हैं and that's it. That's also maximum. I've done events where, you know, I've traveled, matlab, when I was working, I'll tell you a funny incident. I was in Kolkata for an event. I landed and I saw 30 missed calls from my boss and I'm like, क्या हो गया भाई? आग लगी है, क्या हुआ है? And then I called him back and he's like, listen Dipti, do you have extra clothes? And I'm like, no. I mean, when you travel for a day or not generally, go. You have to go to Delhi now. Your flight is in the next 2 hours. So just change the airport, switch the airport, जा यही कपड़ों में काम करके या उधर जाके shopping कर लेना. The artist is already at the airport, तू late है तो तू भाग.
Okay.
So I mean, it all looks very glamorous and fun कि हम ये property में रह रहे हैं, but technically we're not even sleeping well. Forget work. Yeah, I mean, we don't even get time to sleep. Forget exploring the property and the city and all of that. That is all I think, that never happens. So
This erratic work condition,
yeah,
unconventional, right? This work that you do,
yeah.
it impacts a lot on
health?
health,
Yeah,
mentally, physically. What do
absolutely.
you do to stay sane?
For me, I think events and artist management or anything related to this field, I don't think you can survive for very long if you don't enjoy this. You cannot. It's not possible. Because हमें 12-12, 15-15 घंटे खाने नहीं मिलता at events. Sometimes it's so stressful that you don't end up eating anything the entire day. You're not having water. You probably don't have the time to go to the bathroom. It's that bad, the situation. But if only if you enjoy this, I think you can do this madness. Season के time पे कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, those heavy wedding dates where I am physically at an event, my team is somewhere else in other different cities. I'm coordinating 4 events. 4 event पे team है और एक पे मैं हूँ. 8-8, 10-10 events in one day. So you don't even get time to sleep because जब आप बेड पे लेट रहे हो अपने, कोई आर्टिस्ट लैंड कर रहा है, किसी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, किसी का कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट करना है. So it is pure madness, I think, and that is the beauty of the field. It is.
It's a lot of passion to.
You need passion, patience, then of course consistency, hard work to survive in such a stressful environment, and yeah.
Do you have any ritual that you follow before an event? Anything that you do?
I think गणपति बप्पा मोरया वही चलता है. अब तक तो वही चला है मेरी लाइफ में. That is before any artist goes on stage. Either it's with them or it is मन के अंदर. भाई गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मेरी लाज रखना और कुछ नहीं.
And what according to you is like a successful event?
Oh, I enjoy, I mean, working with celebrities and high-level speakers and, you know, known faces जो आप Instagram पे देखते हो, you know, आज इसके साथ है, कल उसके साथ है. That is one aspect. But one aspect that we do at Blink is curating entertainment as per the client's requirement. So to give you the most recent example, we did an event for a paint company.
Okay.
Wherein we curated local, मतलब हमने local नॉर्थ ईस्ट का कल्चर दिखाना था.
Okay.
तो वहाँ के थोड़े डांसर्स, वहाँ का एक फैशन शो क्यूरेट किया, वहाँ का लोकल पूरा फ्लेवर्स ध्यान में रख के वी लॉन्च द बुक लाइक द कलर पैलेट.
Wow.
So this was completely customized where, you know, I had to use my brains. It was not a standard कि ठीक है एक सिंगर जा रहा है, परफॉर्म कर रहा है, 4 गाने कस्टमाइज है, ब्राइडग्रूम का नाम लेना है, and not that, the regular stuff we do. But I think curating and creating something new is the fun part that I enjoy the most.
And is that
That is more stressful.
Yeah.
Mostly it does land well. बट कभी नहीं हुआ तो अब मैं स्टेज के बाहर तक कर सकती हूँ जो कर सकती हूँ. Once the artist is on stage, then a lot of things are not in my hand, right? Because when he or she is performing, I can't go on stage and control things.
Absolutely.
But till the artist steps up, it's my job to give them the right information, to tell them what the client is expecting. What is it that we are trying to prove ये event पे? What is our मतलब हमें क्या करना है, क्या डिलीवर करना है आपको? What is the purpose of the entire event? That is my job. So where I said, you know, communication is the key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you think the perception of people has changed over the years looking at this industry from the outside?
It's very different. I think 20 साल पहले जब आप events, अरे वो टेंट वाला जो आके मंडप लगाता है शादियों का, you know, that was how we were looked at, how our event managers were looked at, and artist management तो practically non-existent था 20 years back. अगर आप किसी के आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर हो, आप क्या करते हो? उनकी बैग लेके चलते हो, you know, what do you exactly do?
Yeah.
Like, so that has changed, and now with so many agencies and so much media appearances and PR, and there is, you know, so many social media platforms where every artist is trying to be relevant and find their space. There's so much work that has been added, and today, in fact, clients, the way they choose an artist, the criteria are very different from the way they looked at artists and entertainment 20 years back. So I think the overall perception has really changed.
So what is it like? Do clients come with a list of expectations or requirements?
They do, absolutely. पहले ये था कि आप कितने अच्छे परफॉर्मर हो, आप कितना अच्छा गाते हो. There were very few TV reality shows, you know. There were probably one or two hardly. And उसमें से गिने चुने थोड़े टैलेंट आ रहे हैं. अगर आप बोल दो कि आप सारेगामा से हो, आप you know इंडियन आइडल से हो, बहुत बड़ी बात थी. Today, every season has 10 to 15 such good talented singers that are coming in. There are so many singers that are performing regularly in these clubs that have a lot of fan following, जो public events कर रहे हैं. Today an artist singing on the street with 500 people surrounding him, वो भी कल viral हो सकता है. And probably he can get more shows than a proper established singer also, because he's trending. So I think the whole perception has changed. It's all about trends. You won't believe, in the last 1 week, I must have catered to 3 bhajan clubbing inquiries.
Really?
Yeah, you know that's the new thing, right? It's all over Instagram that Gen Zs are into bhajan clubbing. They don't want to do the conventional Mata ki chowkis and all of that. So people want that now at weddings. When we have inquiries for the coming season, people are actually asking, हमें भजन clubbing artist भेजो.
Viral.
They want what is trend. जो trend हो रहा है, जो दिख रहा है, वो बिक रहा है. If I have to put this in straight words, that's how it is. So for an artist, I think the overall positioning that an artist has over the internet is what matters. Talent है, but उसके साथ और बहुत कुछ required है आज की date में.
Absolutely. An entire package.
An entire package, and the market is so crowded. There is cutthroat competition. In terms of agencies, we work cutthroat. There are pitches, there are biddings that happen for every deal. So it's a cutthroat competition market.
Right, and you're doing a fabulous job.
Thanks you. Thank you.
Do you remember your first big event as Blink?
Oh, in the first year, he's always been my crush. And very good looking singer, I'm sure you would know. And I think तब सब लड़कियों को बड़ा cute सा लगता था. And तभी उसके नए नए गाने आए थे. And he was one of the most trending, sort of, he still is very big and huge. My first year I worked with Guru Randhawa.
Oh my God.
That was for a wedding at Della, and I was on cloud 9. मतलब full तैयारी करके क्या पहनूंगी, बाल कैसे होंगे, मेकअप प्रॉपर है, जैसे मैं जा रही हूँ स्टेज पे.
Right.
जो था नहीं, but yeah, so I think that was my first big project.
Yeah.
I was very excited. He did a fab job. He's a great performer. The team is too good to work with. So it went very well, but you know, making sure that everything that he requires, वो उनको मिले अच्छे से, time पे मिले, client खुश हो और artist भी खुश हो. That's the right balance that we have to sort of maintain.
And you've earned that for yourself with all the hard work that you've done.
I still have, I mean, it's a long journey, right? And for me, entertainment is like an open canvas. When I get a brief, it's a open canvas where I'm thinking for every brief, इस पे क्या नया दे सकते हैं, इस पे क्या कर सकते हैं, because Blink is not limited to just singers,
Right.
but we work with motivational speakers, stand-up comedians, dance troupes, opening acts. We do filler act options. We work with hosts, mentalists,
A lot of that.
yeah. So it is crazy. I mean, so it is as per the client's brief that we work.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Fast and curious with Dipti. The first question is, one word to describe the events industry.
Entertainment, for me at least.
The most weird celeb demand.
Weird is, I think everybody wants a private jet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is the bigger ego zone, according to you? The
Ego zone.
the stage or the green room?
Which is the biggest?
Ego zone.
Ego zone. It is definitely the green room, because on stage an artist is, I mean, they want to do their best, right? They want to be the crowd's favorite. So it is whatever happens backstage in the green room.
What would you prefer, artist running late or organizer running late?
Organizer running late. Artist running late, heart attack hai.
Okay. Last minute changes or last minute tantrums?
Last minute changes.
What is more unpredictable, the weather or the artists?
It is the artist, unfortunately.
And would you prefer a backup plan or a backup artist?
Backup plan. I hope my artist is safe.
A dream celebrity or a client you'd love to plan an event for?
Shah Rukh Khan has to be.
I knew that answer. And where do you think there's more tension, in brand events or wedding events?
It's a mix of both, but weddings are still a little, I think they're more stressful, they're personalized, they involve more people from the family. Corporates are more white and black. So,
And before we end, I'd like to ask you, if you met your younger self, what would you tell her?
keep going. I mean, there is so much to do and learn, and just keep going. Stick to what you're doing.
All right. Thank you so much for being here
Thank you.
at The Native. It was
Thank you.
amazing chatting with you.
Likewise. Thank you. Thank you for having us.